Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change name and bio on Tango app. Also, if you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notified each time we upload the video. Before getting into the tutorials, first make sure you have Tango app or you can download it through Play Store. Tap on Tango app, make sure you have an account. If you don't, you can check on our channel to know how to create Tango app account. Now tap on circle or profile icon on top left section. Tap on the given account for further details. Then you are taken to this page. To change the name or bio, tap on pen icon at top right section. Now you can change name by filling in the box after name. You can type any name limited to 30 letters. You can add bio by filling in the box after about me. You can write anything that you have in your mind that describes you. You can also set gender by tapping on gender. And you can set date of birth by tapping on set your birthday. You can select your particular interest by tapping on interest. Then tap on tick symbol at top right section after choosing your selection of bios. With that, you can successfully change your name and bio on Tango account. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.